Here's the tracking history for my package. Left United Kingdom on the 11th, passed through facility, arrived in New York on the 14th, inbound to customs, left customs on the 14th, and from there it went to Phillipsburg, New Jersey. On the 15th, it made it to Syracuse. So here it is on the 15th of March in Syracuse. From there, it went to Madison, Wisconsin. And then from Madison, Wisconsin to Oak Creek, Wisconsin. And then back to Phillipsburg, New Jersey. So here we were on the 15th in Phillipsburg. We're back on the 18th to Phillipsburg. And then back to Syracuse one more time. And then the 20th, it leaves Syracuse and it arrives to Pompey on the 20th. That's when I picked it up. Should have been here at least 5 days earlier, but at least I have it in hand. Here's the device, the board. This is the CGX motorboard. As I tried to replace the one that was in the telescope, I discovered to my horror that the J3 connector, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 pins, was soldered the wrong way around, fully 180-degree rotated from the original board. So I had to get cutters and cut the plastic around so I can bear the pins, so I can plug the connector into it. Other than that minor mishap, everything went well. Now it is time to turn it on. The light came on, so that is tremendous progress. Now it is a matter of testing the scope. I'm starting the telescope from its home position, and let's see if it's gonna slew. I'm gonna pick M3. Let's see if it goes there. I have an infrared camera on it because it's snowing outside and the dome is closed. It looks like it's moving. That's a lot better than it was earlier today. Let me try to move it further south. Oh, there's the moon. Let's go to the moon. Slew to moon. Okay, obviously I have no way of knowing whether it's pointing to the right place or not, but this is at this point immaterial. I'm just glad that it's working. Let's do some more. Let me take it down to Gina. And the last test for now is to send it home. There are two ways to send it home, really. One of them using Nina. Nina will send it home based on the switches. Or I can use SharpCap and send it to right ascension 0 and declination 90. Let me see if Nina will oblige in this case. There's the home. Let's see if it goes home. I'm gonna open up Starry Night again. There's the scope moving. And there is the celestial ball. Okay, I am happy. The only remaining thing now to do is to turn it off. Then I will do that remotely. We should be able to hear the jingle when it disconnects. And that it has disconnected. So it is parked, and I'm a happy camper.